Yes, good morning children. Are you happy today? Yes, we are all happy. Yes, last week we have studied about trophism in plants. You take that assignment, we check the answer. First one, match the following. Cells, correct answer is cytology. Second one, tissues, correct answer is histology. Third one, sunflower, answer is Helianthus anus. Fourth one, touch me not plant, answer is Mimosa pudica. Then answer the following. Define trophism. Trophism is a unidirectional movement of a whole or part of a plant towards the direction of stimulus. Second one, write a note on Mimosa pudica, then Helianthus anus. I think you have written your own answer. Yes. Listen, ma'am. Today we are going to continue that trophism in plants. Yes. What we have studied, animals move from place to place in search of water, shelter, etc. Plants cannot move. Plants cannot move, but some exceptional also you have to say that, except Chlamydomonas. Yes. One of the most important exception is Chlamydomonas. What is Chlamydomonas? Chlamydomonas is a unicellular green alga. Unicellular green alga. This Chlamydomonas Yes. The Chlamydomonas is a unicellular green alga. It comes under the group that is plant kingdom. Even though it is a unicellular green alga, it moves from one place to another place, or it floats on the surface of the water because of the presence of what? Flagella. Then you can see about, that is last class, the Mimosa pudica. Mimosa pudica, the scientific name or botanical name. We can say that this one, Mimosa, is a genus name. Pudica is a species name. The first letter of the genus name you should write in the capital letter. The first letter of the genus name is denoted in the capital letter. The first letter of the species name denoted in the small letter. You have to learn the rule while you are writing that scientific name or botanical name, Mimosa pudica. The Mimosa is a genus name, pudica is a species name. The first letter of this Mimosa, that is genus name, should be written or denoted in capital letter, that is M, capital M. The first letter of the species, pudica, that is P, is written or denoted in small letter, that is P. Yes, pass on to that. Today we are going to study about the classification of trophism. Classification of trophism. What is that are types of trophism. Types of trophism. Yes, before that you have to learn about, you have to know about. You have to know about the basic rules of the plants. We can see that the plants, this is the shoot system of a plant, this is the root system of a plant. You know that the root always grows deep into the soil or we can say that the roots grows towards the gravity force or the roots grows towards the water. Then what is this shoot system? The shoot system always grows towards the sunlight. Always grows towards the sunlight. Children, you know that the shoot system grows towards the sunlight. So we can say that positively phototrophic and negatively geotrophic. Next one, the root system grows towards the gravity force. So we can say that positively geotrophic and negatively phototrophic. Yes. Now we can pass on to the types of trophism. Based on the nature of the stimulus, the trophism is classified into phototrophism. First type is called phototrophism. What is phototrophism? Movement of your plant parts towards the light. Movement of your plant parts. Movement of your plant parts towards sunlight. Example, say the example. Yes, good. Shoot of your plant. Second one, geotrophism. Second type, geotrophism. What is geotrophism? Movement of your plant in response to gravity. Movement of your plant in response to gravity. Say the example. Example, root of a plant. Third one, hydrotrophism. What is hydro? Hydro means what? Water. Now you say that the movement of the plants towards water. The movement of plants towards water is called hydrotrophism. Example what? Root of a plant. Fourth one. What is fourth one? Thigmotrophism. Thigmotrophism. What is thigmotrophism? Thigmotrophism, the movement of the plants due to touch. The movement of the plants due to touch. That we can say that thigmotrophism. Example, climbing vines. The movement of plant part towards touch is called thigmotrophism. Example, climbing vines. Here the stimulus is what? Touch. While the plant touches any obstacle, it coil around it. So it is called what? Thigmotrophism. Second example, the roots the roots, while it grows, it touches any obstacles, it turns away from the obstacle. So here, that is the stimulus is what? Touch. We can say that these movements are triggered by an external stimuli like touch, sunlight, water and gravity force. The next trophism is hemotrophism. Next type is hemotrophism. Yes. What is hemotrophism? The movement of a plant pot in response to chemicals is called hemotrophism. The movement of a plant pot's response to chemicals is called hemotrophism. Example, you can say that pollen grains which are present in the flowers are called male reproductive organ. Stigma is present in the flower, which is called female reproductive organ. Yes, we can say that the growth of a pollen tube in response to sugar present in the stigma. The growth of a pollen tube. The pollen tube which is growing from the pollen grains. The growth of a pollen tube in response to sugar, which is present in the stigma. Listen, you can say that what is hemotrophism? The movement of a plant pot in response to chemicals is called what? Hemotrophism. For example, the growth of a pollen tube in response to sugar which is present in the stigma is called what? Hemotrophism. You can say that another example also, while the root is growing, always the root grows deep into the soil and it grows towards the which one? Water. If it is contact with any chemicals, the root turns away from the chemicals. If it is contact with any chemicals, the root, it turns away from the chemicals. Now you say that the types of that trophism, first one phototrophism, second one geotrophism, third one hydrotrophism, fourth one thigmotrophism, fifth one hemotrophism. Yes, children, now you can learn all the types of which one trophism at home and write it in your notebook. Thank you, children. Bye.